Introduction. It was Monday. Arun is excited about his presentation. He's going to present a seminar on the topic From Farmer to My Plate. His class teacher was very impressed with his presentation. Let us see what it was all about. In this lesson, you will learn about the process involved in cultivation of crops. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to discuss the process involved in cultivation, explain how the crops reach the market, know the food waste management. Agriculture. India is a land of agriculture. Nearly 2/3 of our population is engaged in farming. The farmer toils day and night in growing crops. Types of crops. The major crops can all be divided into 4 main categories, depending on their usage. Food crops like wheat, maize, rice, millets, and pulses. Cash crops like sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, and oilseed. Plantation crops: coffee, coconut, tea, and rubber. Horticulture: fruits and vegetables. Process involved in growing crops. Growing crops is a long process and involves a lot of steps. 1. The first step is growing crops is to prepare the soil. Firstly, the soil is turned and loosened. This process is called plowing. 2. The farmer then sows the right amount of decided seeds at a regular distance in the soil. 3. Manuring is the process of adding the decomposed form of dead plants and animals to increase the production. 4. Irrigation means to water the land to make it ready for agricultural purposes. 5. The process of removal of unwanted plants to protect the crops is called weeding. 6. The farmer protects the crops from pests and insects by adding pesticides and insecticides. 7. Harvesting is the process of cutting the crops after they are matured. 8. The process of beating out grains from stems is called threshing. It helps to lose grains from the scales surrounding them. Winnowing is the process of separating the grain from the chaff. From farmer to plate. After harvesting, the farmer packs the crops and takes them to the local market in a big truck. From the local market, we buy foods and bring them home. Food waste management. Food wastage has become a global issue. If each one of us realizes our responsibility, then we can curb the issue of food wastage. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. India is a land of agriculture. The process of growing crops involves several steps: plowing, sowing, manuring, irrigating, weeding, harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. The farmers take the harvested crops to the local market for sale. We should not waste the food.